In this quick demo, we'll go through the basic process of creating a new activity session in Beehive. If you're an administrator, you'll see the section Manage Activities and the option to create an activity session. Your default options are to create a session based on a brainstorm, buzz group, case studies, debate, or group discussion. Now, of course, you can create your own types or customize any of these to your own needs. We'll create a debate session. First, we have to include our session title. Now we have the option of customizing. By default, the debate includes these tasks. These are based on educational design pattern. Since we're doing this just as simply as possible, we'll skip the customization option and just go with the defaults. This is our collaboration script. It shows that the activity consists of this many tasks. Propose the motion, second the proposer, oppose the motion, second the opposer, speak from the floor, sum up for the motion, and do you support the proposer. Each of these tasks has a standard duration. We can make changes to any of this, add or delete tasks, but again, we're going to go with the standard options. So we just click Finish. We can check our details, make sure everything's correct, and finish creating this session. It's as easy as that. Now our session appears in this menu.